Hi everyone, welcome to the second video of React Fundamentals. In the previous video, we created a React app using CRA, that is create React app command, and in this video, we will cover the folder structure and files of our React application. Starting with the first folder, Node Modules, this has all the dependencies that we need to start the application. You will find this in any Node.js project. Second is the public folder. Public folder has a number of files. It is the root folder that gets served up as a React application. First is the favicon.ico file. It is an icon file that is used in index.html as favicon. Index.html is the template file which is served up when we run start script to launch our application. You shouldn't create multiple HTML file in public folder. Instead, use the same file to inject React components in the root div container. You can also add CSS libraries over here. These two are the different sizes of the logo files, so not needed much. Manifest.json has data about our application, kind of metadata. You can change the short name and the full name, and that is how it will be reflected when someone searches for your page. Robots.txt file is rules defined for accessing your application. Coming to the another very important folder, that is the src folder in a React application. It will contain everything: components, tests, css files, etc. app.css file contains the styles meant for the app.js file. You can see it being imported here, just like any cs and js file. App.js file is a very basic React component. You can create further components and import it to this basic app.js file. Then is the app.test.js file. It has a basic test defined which can be replaced by our own test. Index.css file contains styles for the general setup of the application, like the body, the code, the font family what we are using. Index.js file renders the components and calls report web vitals. You can also choose to remove this. It will not affect anything. Logo.svg file is used by app.js as a default logo file here. Because we have used report web vitals in the basic index.js file, we have this another file which is used to measure and analyze the basic vitals, that is the performance of the website. Kind of good for the developers. Setup test.js file has tests and runs them. The file is directly invoked when we make run test from the CLI. .gitignore file is a basic git file which is used to untrack the files. You can give the name of the file and it will not track whenever you try to submit your file. Package.json file consists of all the dependencies, also the script we have for starting the application. Everything can be defined here. It also has the version for our different dependencies. Packagelog.json file ensures that the package is consistent across various machines. It stores the version of the dependencies that are installed with the packages. Readme.md file is a git file. Anything you change here will be reflected on the basic the first page of your git application. So this is all regarding the folder structure of the React application. In most of the cases we have the same structure unless you add something else, and this is the main structure which you will also find in Node.js application. Next.js has a little bit different layout, but the basics are the same, like package.json, the package log file, and the src file are particularly same for all the JS applications. In the next video, we will cover up another React fundamental topic. Thank you, everyone.